Hotspot Shield VPN Review Usage Experience. In today's video, we're diving into Hotspot Shield VPN, one of the most popular choices for online privacy and security. Links to the product can be found in the description below. Let's go over the features, performance, and who this VPN is really made for. Hotspot Shield is known for its fast and secure service. It uses its proprietary Catapult Hydra protocol, which promises faster speeds while maintaining encryption. This is great for users who need to stream, game, or browse without noticeable slowdowns. Hotspot Shield offers access to servers in over 80 countries, which is ideal for bypassing geo-restrictions on platforms like Netflix, Hulu, or BBC iPlayer. It also includes unlimited bandwidth on the premium plan, making it a solid choice for heavy users. For security, Hotspot Shield offers AES 2156 encryption, the gold standard in the industry, and has a strict no-logs policy. This means they don't store your activity or connection data, which is critical for privacy-conscious users. The VPN also features a kill switch to protect your data if the connection drops unexpectedly. Hotspot Shield is perfect for users who want a VPN that combines ease of use with strong security and fast performance. It's designed for both beginners and more advanced users, with apps for Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS, ensuring cross-platform compatibility. The interface is user-friendly, with quick connect options, so even those new to VPNs can get started in seconds. On the other hand, experienced users will appreciate the advanced settings like split tunneling and the ability to choose specific server locations. Whether you're looking to protect your online activity, stream content, or secure public Wi-Fi connections, Hotspot Shield stands out with its blend of speed, security, and ease of use. It's an excellent option for anyone seeking a reliable VPN. Check out the links in the description for more information. Thanks for watching.